Have you ever come across a situation where you are working on a project and are unable to meet timelines and expectations for various reasons? What do you do in such situations? I am sharing some of the lessons that I have learned over the last 20 odd years. But let's talk about software development and estimation in general first. Software development is complex and can involve many unknowns, making it very difficult to accurately estimate the time and resources required to complete a project. These unknowns, once known, can significantly impact project effort and schedule, either during the development phase or even after the project is rolled out to production as well. During project estimation, developers may not have enough information about a specific requirement of the project to make a reliable estimate. Developers may overpromise on delivery dates to meet stakeholder expectations as well. So, on top of everything, requirements for software projects can change after the scope is logged or even during the development of the application. So, what do we do now? My recommendation is to work on assumptions and risks for all the unknowns and have crystal clear communication to all stakeholders. Document any assumptions you have made during the project for unknown requirements. For example, I am building this data pipeline assuming that the system will receive 100 files of size 2 GB each. The system will receive 1000 requests per second from different users between 9 AM to 12 PM. All backend APIs will be provided by the client and we will be only responsible for front-end development. Now set up a meeting with all stakeholders and review these assumptions. Create a baseline plan and get an agreement with all stakeholders. Now about monitoring. Now this is the most critical step during project execution. Keep asking this question to yourself: what can go wrong in my project? We made certain assumptions and now it has changed. Now the system is receiving 5 GB file and we have to process 1000 files per day. This is a Nexus event. A new timeline is initiated for the project. Now discuss with the team the impact of this Nexus event on effort, budget, and schedule. Remember, things can go wrong in projects. However, it is very important that you learn to come up with a Go Green plan and set daily checkpoints for progress review with your stakeholders. I will show you a template that I use for creating Go Green plans. Here's what you need to do. You need to fill in the summary fields first. So first fill in the requirement and the requirement that changed. What is the business impact of this requirement? Try to understand the business impact. What are the external dependencies? What are the issues? What are the blockers? And then summarize the overall effort and schedule impact on the project. Now your Go Green plan should include each and every task, who is the owner, a single owner who will be responsible for the completion of that task, what is the due date, what is the status, whether it has started, it's in progress, it has completed, and any comments against this. So finally, effective scope management and schedule control are critical for the success of software projects. By defining the scope, monitoring the effort and schedule, and regularly communicating with stakeholders, you can help ensure that the project stays on track, is completed on time and within budget, and meets the needs of all stakeholders. And you are able to deliver value to the customers. Thank you very much.